Looking for wholesale fruit? Ecuadorian Rainforest is the premier wholesale bulk raw materials and nutraceuticals ingredient supplier. With over 20 years in the nutraceutical industry, we offer hundreds of fruit powders and powdered extracts. Our ingredients are third-party tested, conventionally and wild harvested, and offered at competitive wholesale prices. Fruits such as blueberry, chokeberry, watermelon, cantaloupe, and more are readily available. Visit intotherainforest.com now to discover a world of ingredients and ask for a quote today.